Om Ganeshaya Namah. Today we are going to talk about 5 simple Ganpati mantra that can bring miracles in your life. It is not difficult task to please Lord Ganesha. It's very easy to love him with your faith and to chant simple mantras to get success and happiness in your life. Lord Ganesha is worshipped in order to get the love that has been missing in your life, or to get prosperity, knowledge, wealth, and everything whatever is required in your life. So let's start with the mantras. So the first mantra is in order to remove the negativity from your life, and this is the mantra that we must be listening again and again in Ganpati temples or in pandals and all. The mantra is Om Gam Ganpate Namah. When we chant this mantra Om Gam Ganpate Namah, it helps us to remove the negativity from our life. Now let's go to the second mantra. The second mantra is the Shakti Vinayaka mantra. What do we mean by Shakti Vinayak mantra? Shakti means power and Vinayak means supreme master. So this mantra will help to gain financial prosperity, and you will be able to achieve whatever you wanted to achieve in your life. So the mantra is Om Ring Gring Ring. Om Ring Gring Ring. So chanting this mantra will help you to get abundance of prosperity in life. Now next mantra is related with overcoming of obstacles. We generally take fast on Vinayak Chaturthi or Sankashti Chaturthi. So Sankashti Chaturthi is generally Ganpati is worshipped on Sankashti Chaturthi in order to get rid of our obstacles. And this mantra, I guess everyone must be knowing about this mantra. And the mantra is Vakratund Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprava Nirvignam Kurume Deva Subhakaryeshu Sarvada. So here you can also change Shubhakaryeshu Sarvada to Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. So this mantra you should chant for 21 days, 108 times, 108 times a day, in order to get benefits that you wanted in your life. Now coming towards one of the most simplest mantra, and that helps if you think that you have you are trying to forget something and to bring back the humanity in your life, then this mantra will definitely help you out. And the mantra is Om Gajananaya Namaha. Om Gajananaya Namaha. So please chant this mantra for 108 times if you wanted to just get out of whatever scenes or deeds you have done in past and to come back to the humanity. And now comes the fifth mantra. And the fifth mantra is very important for all the students who wanted to get good results in their life and they wanted to get success in their studies. So it's very important, and it's also very simple to chant. The mantra is Om Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namah. So if you chant 108 times, if you chant 108 times a day, it will help you to get success in your studies. So this 5 mantra is very important in your life. If you have any questions related with the mantras, please let me know in the comment section. Now coming how to chant mantra. We know there are mantras, you can also Google about the mantras, but how to chant mantra? What should we do in order to chant mantra? So there are simple tricks which we have to follow, simple steps to follow in order to chant mantra. The first thing is you should bath or wash your feet and hands before chanting mantra. It's very important to sit in north or east direction in order to chant mantra. Then comes the third thing is always light a lamp or incense sticks in odd numbers to please Lord Ganesha. We can also offer laddu or some dry fruits to please him because he is fond of laddus. So it's very nice to offer that. Then comes, we should also recite mantra at least for 48 days with devotion to get it benefits. And then finally, it's very important to find rosary beads so you can chant mantra. So thank you guys. We will be meeting soon and we will talk about other mantras which can help you to get success in your life. Om Ganeshaya Namah. Thank you.